Nilinaw ng House Prosecution Panel na hindi sila natakot kay Office of the Vice President Chief of Staff Attorney Zuleika Lopez kaya hindi na ito isasalang sa witness stand sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Sa pulong balitaan sa Senado, sinabi ni Private Prosecutor Attorney Lorna Capunan na base sa kanilang evaluation, sobra-sobrang ebidensya na ang nailatag at magiging redundant o paulit-ulit ang presentation kapag iniharap pa sina Lopez at Captain Belinda Bello. Sapat na anya ang sariling pag-amin ng defense panel, partikular sa opening statement ni Attorney Mark Vinluan, pati na ang mga pananalita ni VP Sara sa online press conference noong November 23, 2024. Punto ni Capunan, hindi sila nanloloko at kapag sinabi nilang ipipresenta ang isang testigo, seryoso sila rito. Ngunit bakit pasasayangin ang oras ng impeachment court? Banat niya, wala siyang inaatrasan at wala ring nangyaring backdoor channeling sa pagitan ng prosecution at defense.
Upon the control and supervision of the public prosecutors, it really became unnecessary. And those of you who know me, and I see many familiar faces here, know that hindi ako ma-atras at all. In fact, I kill a mosquito with an atomic bomb. This was not necessary here. No, there was no backdoor channeling and walang atras. If you saw social media, sabi nga nila, may bagyong Sara.
Inday po, Inday.
May bagyong Inday na. Alam mo naman, lumipas na yung bagyong Inday na yan. Tapos na. Typhoon Josie na ngayon, so wala nang strength.
Aminado naman ang abogado na nanghihinayang siya sa oportunidad na matanong si Lopez dahil kailangan lumabas ang totoo, ngunit dapat matutuhan kung kailan dapat tumigil. Naniniwala si Kalu o Capunan na kung natuloy ang examination ay hindi niya ilalaglag si Duterte.
If she were an unbiased witness, yes. But as you can see from her record, she has been with the Vice President, then as Vice Mayor, then as Mayor, and now up to now. Answer your question. You think she's going to say, my boss is mentally unstable or emotionally damaged? I think that would not be fair to ask her that question.
Samantala, kumpiyansa naman ng prosekusyon sa naging testimonya ni na NBI Agent John Mark Calidong at NBI Regional Director Attorney Jeremy Lotok. Nagpapasalamat din sila sa mga naging tanong ni na Senator Judges Alan Peter Cayetano at Robin Hood Padilla tulad ng mga kinaharap na kaso dahil lalo lang napatunayan ang pagiging competent witnesses ng mga ito. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Haji Caaminio ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music and News Authority.